Okay, welcome back. In this video, we are going to see how to create maps for potassium, thorium, and uranium. And later, we'll see how to reprocess, further analyze this map very well in ArcGIS. But for now, we are going to create them in OS Montage and then export to ArcGIS, which will style later in the series of this video, in these videos that I'm doing. So make sure you stay tuned, and this is only the part you need first to know how to create the maps here. Then later we export it to ArcGIS. Let's first select the potassium in latitude long. We'll come to map, new map, then scan grid, then set potassium LL, you see it, okay. And next, then click first, give the name potassium, then click on scale. It has picked up the scale, then click finish, then go to map tools, draw base map, then set the right to be 5, this to be 2, then everything's ethics, already we are using geographic. Then next, you can call it a key map, which you can edit later in ArcGIS. Then click on this, then go to map tools, single grid, then select the grid from here, potassium LL, apply shadow, click on more, click on shading effect, this is where you have, then click on, make sure you have histogram equalization, current map. Then the legend title is going to be in concentration is in percentage. We can give it 3 places of decimal or 2 or anywhere we need. Then click locate. Then click here. Then click OK. Then click on this. Then click on this. That you can now move it anywhere you want it. Now click back on this plus. Now this is our potassium concentration map. All we need to do is to go to ArcGIS MSD. You see it's already selected, then select save current map as MSD. Now this will allow us to save it as a ArcGIS project. Then click on this, make sure that you have ArcGIS installed, then go to maps. You can see the maps here, then potassium, then click on save. This will convert it into ArcGIS project, which we'll edit later. So this is what we have. Then click on Windows, close all. No. And always select OK. So you have done with this. Then go to the next one, is thorium in lat long LL. The same process, new map, scan grid. Make sure you select the map, the grid here, thorium LL. OK. Then click next. Then here you call it first thorium, then you click scale, then finish. Map tool, draw base map. Give 5, I used to give 5 and 2, right and left. Everything is set, then click on next. Then this we call it the thorium map. Then then click on this. Map tools, single grid, make sure that you select this and this. But here you change this to thorium LL, see it? Then more shading effect, this, then click on this. Then the legend title is part per million. Then we can, okay, 3 decimal place, we can change this to locate. Then we'll click here, then we are good to go. Then click on this, click here. This is what we have. And click on this, then we move it where we want them. Click on this plus back, then we'll click on ArcGIS MSD, save current map as this. Then click on 3 dots to locate it. Click on maps and click thorium. Then click OK. This will convert it to a ArcGIS project. Wait for it to finish. We should show a mini version of ArcGIS inside OS Montage, but we can do it in ArcGIS. Windows, close all. No. Then okay, all. So we need the thorium there. Of course, we need the uranium. This one UXY. We don't need it here in our calculation. We'll remove this one. Now go to uranium LL. So we now do the last map. Map new. Scan grid. Uranium. Then okay. Next, they call it U. They say scale. Then finish. The map tool. Draw base map. 5, then 2. Next. Okay, everything remain. They call the U map. Finish. Zoom out. Then go to map tools. Grid image display single grid. Set our grid to uranium LL. Shading effect, click on this calculator symbol, then current map. Then the unit is part per million. Leave it to 3 place of decimal, click on locate, click here, then click OK. Then click on this, move it here, then you can size it. Then click on this, then ArcGIS MSD, that will save it to uranium maps. Can stick here, okay. Go to window, close all, no, or all. Now you can see all the maps has been created. You can see these are the maps in OS Montage. The map in ArcGIS are this. You can see them here 1, 2, 3. They also they have opened a folder under Radiometrics maps. You can see them here. You see them. The ArcGIS project. You see ArcGIS map documents. The 3 are already there. So they're always there, and that is how we produce the map here in OS Montage. This is the procedure to follow. If I produce all the 3 videos, all the grids, the grids of the study area that we need, the potassium, thorium, and that of uranium in geographic. And again, one thing we need to remember, again, when we come to design it, is to, if I open the potassium, the interval between them, you see here, if I zoom out, use this span, then click drag, you see it 8.75 and 7. So what is the difference? The difference is 0.05. So you can see also the same thing here, 0.05. I can see grid degree interval is 0.05. You can see 0.05 will give you this, 0.05 will give you this, and so is 0.5 degree. So you have to take notes. So I'll come to using ArcGIS. So I'll save it, file and save, minimize. And this is what we have, how to produce the map in OS Montage. In later series, we see how to retouch this one and produce something like this. If we go back and to do and what we have here, so those are the maps you see to produce something like this. This one was produced in ArcGIS, something like this. How to do it in ArcGIS, and this is what we do in the later part of the series.